Locate the filter compartment in your fridge. Turn off the water supply. Make sure to remove any excess water from your fridge. Remove the filter cover and rotate the old cartridge counterclockwise. Carefully pull out the filter and dispose of it. Remove the safety cap from the new filter head. Insert the new filter into its holder and rotate clockwise to secure it in place. Close the filter cover. Turn on the water supply and run water for 5 minutes to flush the cartridge. Reset your water filter alarm. By following the instructions in your user manual, need to order a replacement? Order with confidence from Filter Flair. Head to our website and buy yours now.